Welcome to CS 101, Scientific Python, Lecture 22, on modules in Python. This is the last of our Python lectures before we embark on MATLAB. Today what we're interested in is installing and utilizing new packages. That is, if we have a library, package, or module, we'll use the terms interchangeably. If we have these things available online, but they're not yet available on our own computer, how do we install them and use them? We'll also talk about creating a user-defined module and importing functions from it. We'll talk about some of the conventions that are useful with that and testing. And then we'll see a partial list of further topics to explore in Python. You may have encountered a situation in Python like this before. Import Seaborn, which results in a module not found error. The error message is clear enough. The module hasn't been found and most likely hasn't been installed yet at all. Depending on your installation of Python, there may be several ways to install packages. The preferred way is to use pip, PIP, the Python installation program, which installs packages available through the Python package index. Most packages are. To use this, we're going to have to be at a command line prompt, but not inside of Python. Right now, I'm running IPython. If I type exit, or in regular Python, exit parentheses, it takes me back out to the regular command line. This is indicated by a $ bracket here. This isn't part of Python, but it's a program on your computer that lets you run other programs. For instance, Jupyter. If you're on a Mac or a terminal system, what you see should look fairly similar to what I'm showing you with this $ prompt. If you're on a Windows system, there are several different command lines available, and you may see a different behavior. If we run pip and we give it the subcommand install, and then the name of the package that we are trying to install, it will check for it, run through any prerequisite requirements, and it should successfully install that package. At this point, I can run Python again, import Seaborn, and it succeeds. So we've successfully installed this package. Another common task is to update modules. This should be done with care, since sometimes modules depend on specific versions of other modules like NumPy that are considered foundational. Pip install Jupyter, and we'll pass it a special line that begins with -- upgrade. This is called a flag. What it does is it goes and it checks to see if anything's available that's newer. In this case, there isn't, but if there had been, this would have updated it. Occasionally, Python modules have different installation systems, such as eggs or wheels. Typically, installation instructions will be available with these. If you're using Anaconda Python, the preferred method for installation is to use the conda command instead of pip. This accesses a different module library maintained by Anaconda developers. Pip is still compatible. There are also built-in tools to be used inside of Anaconda, Canopy, and other Python distributions. You can access these via graphical user interface if that's easier for you to use on your system.